Disclaimer: before this video starts, the clips you'll see in this video are from I Am Trains. If you would like to subscribe to him, his channel will be down in the description below. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, my name is Trains and Buses UK and welcome back to another video. It's been such a long time, hasn't it, kids and other people? So anyway, so today I'll be talking about the argument. The 195 versus the 142 Pacer, as you can see on the screen in front of me. So, let's start with the 195. So anyway, that was videos of the 195, but so anyway, here's some information about the 195. It is a diesel multiple unit constructed for Northern to replace the 142, 144, 150, 153, 156, 155, 158, and 185. It was also built in Spain and Wales. So there will be 25 two-car trains and 33 three-car trains. And here's a diagram of what they look like. So the routes they'll be on are Barrow-in-Furness / Windermere to Manchester Airport and Liverpool Lime Street to Manchester Airport. If you like the 195, put it down in the comment section below. Anyway, let's move on to the 142 Pacer. Before I start this video, just gonna say that this train is from Transport for Wales, not Northern, but it's a 142 Pacer, so it doesn't matter.
Off on 228.
Those were some clips of 142 Pacers on the UK rail network. Anyway, here's a fact about some Pacers. The 142 is a class of Pacer diesel multiple units. There are 94 in service. 2 units have been scrapped. They operate on them lines. And yeah, in all 94 Pacers 142s will be withdrawn in December 2019 due to new regulations. Hopefully, yeah, everyone will replace the Pacers. Upon withdrawal, 142001 will be preserved in the National Railway Museum. So that'll be good. We get to keep a Pacer. Here's some Pacers here. Transport for Wales have 15 142s and Northern have 79. There's been a couple of accidents with 142s. Yeah, if you like Pacers, leave a like, leave this video a like. So my opinion, I'm gonna have to go with the 195s. They look quite nicer to the Pacers. There's one Discord called the Pacer Place, which I'll post a link in the description below. And also, I'm gonna make so I'm now creating a civvy place. We found the three. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So the civvy palace place has been made. If you like the Pacers or civvy place, I'll leave the Discord link in the description below for which one, if you like Pacers or if you like 195s. Thank you for watching and subscribe to I Am Trained.